The 1949 Pontiac Chieftain represents a pivotal moment in automotive history, marking the beginning of Pontiac's post-war era with a fresh, streamlined design and advanced engineering. As one of the first Pontiacs, built on the brand's newly introduced body platform, the Chieftain set the stage for a new generation of stylish, reliable and powerful vehicles. Its distinctive front grille, adorned with a striking chrome finish and the signature, illuminated Indian head hood ornament, gave it a commanding presence. The sleek body lines, integrated fenders, and flowing curves showcased a modernized look, while the available two-tone paint schemes added to its visual appeal. Whitewall tires and chrome accents further emphasized its elegance, making it one of the most eye-catching cars of its time. Under the hood, the 1949 Chieftain was offered with a choice of two engines. The base model featured a dependable 3.9-liter inline-six engine producing 90 horsepower, while the more powerful 4.1-liter straight-eight engine delivered 103 horsepower. Both power plants were paired with either a 3-speed manual transmission or Pontiac's innovative Hydromatic automatic transmission, one of the first fully automatic gearboxes available. The smooth ride quality was enhanced by an improved suspension system, making the Chieftain a comfortable cruiser for both city streets and open highways. Its sturdy body-on-frame construction provided durability and stability, ensuring a reliable and enjoyable driving experience. Inside, the Chieftain offered a blend of comfort and sophistication, with premium materials and thoughtful design elements. The spacious cabin featured a plush bench seat upholstered in high-quality fabric, a stylish dashboard with chrome trim gauges, and a large steering wheel for effortless control. The push-button radio, heater, and clock were among the available options, adding convenience and luxury to the driving experience. Generous legroom and headroom made it ideal for families and long-distance travel, reinforcing Pontiac's commitment to passenger comfort. The 1949 Pontiac Chieftain stood out for its combination of timeless styling, innovative engineering, and dependable performance. Its legacy as a post-war American classic continues to captivate collectors and enthusiasts who admire its craftsmanship and nostalgic charm. With its smooth ride, elegant design, and historical significance, the Chieftain remains a symbol of Pontiac's golden era. Subscribe now for more automotive content and stay updated on the latest classic car reviews, specs, and features.